Hi, we're Richmond Urban Collective, and we're developing Metropolitan Preparatory Academy, a college and career prep charter school for boys focused on active learning, creative problem solving, and wraparound services.
The majority of our board members grew up here in Richmond, Virginia, and attended the Richmond public school system just as I did. Collectively, we probably have thousands of children, family members, and friends who attended the public school systems here.
The year's best moments, meeting community supporters and leaders while gathering support letters and filming a roadshow video. The worst moment, losing in the federal startup grant competition as local review was still underway. Our nonprofit will manage operations directly, eliminating the need for a fee-based management company.
Our team of 19 directors and advisors collectively has nearly 6 centuries of expertise in education, business, the arts, and the sciences. Recent team milestones include securing the green light with the Virginia Board of Education, our 501c3 status, and in a few weeks, finalizing things with the Richmond Charter Review Committee. Future milestones within the next 2 months include finishing our Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign and our capital campaign planning study. We hope that you will help us open it up.